Good morning, everybody. It's the final day, unfortunately. Let's get started. All right, guys, good morning and welcome to Xenia, Ohio for the final day of the Dayton Hamvention right here in Xenia, Ohio. Before we get started, I just want to give a shout out to KC5HWB, his hospitality during this, allowing all the YouTubers, including myself, to hang out at his place, and we had a great time. So without further ado, let's get walking. So my overall thoughts on this trip have been, well, it's been more than anything I could have hoped for. This is literally the World's Fair of amateur radio, literally. So really fortunate to have had the opportunity to come up here and participate and hang out and see all the good new stuff. We're gonna try to capture a few more things, and then we'll get going. Got a long drive ahead of us. Out here in the main plaza, you can see obviously thinned out. A lot of people have already came and went. But you know what? There might be some deals out here somewhere in the Boneyard. We're gonna look around some more. Pull up anything I might find. So this is the front Boneyard, and you can see, especially over this way, thinned out quite a bit. Here's another part of the Boneyard that I didn't get to cover. Some audio equipment there, a PA system. So this is the same antenna I'm running HF Mobile on. So I did want to show this this particular booth. We have a weather instrument company here, Altimeter. It's like professional equipment, professional weather equipment. an anemometer here. What a nice wall display. I'm gonna be honest with you, that's expensive stuff. I don't know if it's really worth fooling with, to be honest with you. I'm very, very fond of my Tempest. It has performed outstandingly. All right, let's go out here to the Boneyard and see what kind of things we can get into out here.
I mean, you're walking around with tools, you know.
Oh, I know.
Stuff. And
I know.
This is not my job, or I
And
won't
my
have a job
tool.
if I say anything. Yeah, exactly.
That's really about it for that lane. Come on this way. There's our Bridgecomber Peter. Here's some military surplus stuff. Different electronic components here. Not really radio related, so we'll pass on showing that. I'm kind of disappointed that the Boneyard has thinned out as much as it has, especially on a Sunday. But Sunday is, you know, Sunday's the day that everybody's going to make deals. So it's less lucrative for folks to
So I had to buy, I bought the display model.
some 220 Motorola stuff.
What is certain countries you guys sales for that you misgender, like England?
All right. Some gear over in this section.
Check A0 LiDAR.
It wouldn't let me answer the phone, I'm sorry.
WAG, gotcha.
Oh, wow.
All right, guys, so that's it from Dayton Hamvention. Look forward to next year. This is the final stop, or well, not the final stop. This is the big stop on the Ham Shack TV Hamfest Tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. If you're looking to get your ham radio license, or maybe upgrade your ham radio license, go check out hamradioprep.com and use my coupon code HamShackTV. You'll get an additional 10% off. They're already great prices. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed Dayton Hamvention. Next stop on the tour will be the Knoxville Hamfest in June. And then we'll take a month off and get ready for Huntsville. Huntsville's going to be a big time. Hope you enjoyed it. Glad you're here. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. We appreciate y'all. 73s, AA4WX, WSCB 693.